Hello and welcome back. I am Adria and today we will learn a massage which will help us get rid of under eye bags and droopy eyelids at the same time. So apply oil under your eyes. Massage with both hands. Like this, repeat 8 times. Apply gentle strokes, great for under eye bags, wrinkles and dark circles too. Repeat on the other side. Now for your crow's feet, wrinkles that appear on the side of your eyes, lift up like this and iron your skin with your other hand. Apply gentle strokes, repeat it 8 times. Do it on both sides. It is great in removing wrinkles. Lift up your temple and iron. Repeat 8 times here as well. Now for your droopy eyelids, massage with this part of your finger. Draw circles on the eyebrows, release tension from your muscles. Feel the waste accumulated in this area. Repeat 8 times each point. Do it on the other side 8 times on each point. Now lift your eyebrows using your both hands like this. Repeat 8 times. It helps lifting your droopy eyelids. You should do this every day. Now lift your eyelids like this. Lean the waist around as you massage. Now gently pinch your skin using your thumb and index finger or like this. This really promotes lymphatic drainage under the skin and detox your skin, eliminates the sagging and wrinkles. Now gently pinch the temple area, feel the blood circulation. Now pinch the skin on the upper eyelid. It improves lymphatic flow of your eyelids. I hope you love this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more beneficial videos like this. Add this massage to your routine. Keep pampering and I'll see you soon.